In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Trello board to another workspace. First, open your browser and head to Trello.com, then sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account that owns or administers the board you want to move because you'll need the right permissions to complete this. Once you're in, navigate to your board's view. You can get there from the left sidebar or the top navigation, depending on your layout. This view shows all your boards grouped by workspace, which makes it easier to confirm where the board currently lives before you move it. Find the board you want to move within its current workspace section and click to open it. Give the board a quick glance to verify it's the correct one. Look at the title, the lists, and any distinctive cards so you don't accidentally move the wrong board. In the board, look to the upper right corner and click the three dots menu. Trello occasionally updates its interface, so this may appear as a menu icon labeled More Options. If you don't see it, open the board menu and look for Advanced or More Options to reveal the controls you need. From there, choose Settings. This is where Trello groups actions that affect the board's ownership and placement. If you don't have access to this section, it's a strong sign you're not an admin on the board or you don't have permission to move it. Inside Settings, locate the option labeled Trello Workspace or simply Workspace. This is the control that determines which workspace the board belongs to. Clicking it will show a drop-down of workspaces you can move the board into. Select the new workspace from the list. For this to work, you typically need to be a member with sufficient permissions in the destination workspace as well. If the workspace doesn't appear, check that you've been added there or ask an admin to grant you the right level of access. Finally, click Change to confirm the move. Trello will apply the change right away. Afterward, you should see the workspace name updated near the board's title, and the board will show up under the Destination Workspaces boards page. All lists, cards, and attachments stay intact. Keep in mind, members who aren't part of the new workspace may become guests, and some features or power-ups can be limited by the Destination Workspaces plan. That's it. Your Trello board has been successfully moved to another workspace. If something doesn't look right, double-check permissions or the workspace plan, then repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.